Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads, and this is going to be for the sign of Gemini. So let's see what is going on in your love life with your specific someone. What we're going to do in this reading is we're going to tap into the current energies of the person that you are dealing with. Along with that, we are going to see what do they want you to know, how do they feel about you, and then at the end of the reading what we're going to do is we're going to see oracle guidance around the current circumstances that you are having in your love life with a specific someone. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see. Geminis, what's going on with the person that you are dealing with? Let's find out their current energies right now. What are they up to? What is they have on their mind right now? Let's begin. Five of Swords, they're trying to win over something. Their fights, be that with themselves or with the other people around them, putting out their opinion, they are taking stand for themselves. They are pretty much working on the fears as well. It's going to be different for different people, but that's what your person is doing right now. They might have been trying to fight their addictions for something as well. It doesn't have to be alcohol or any drugs kind of addiction. It can be addiction to negative thinking as well, addiction to sex as well. It can be different for different people, but yes, they are fighting their inner demons around, whatever it is that they are dealing with right now. So they are trying to become their better version, whoever it is that you are dealing with. Let's see more cards here. Eight of Cups. Yep, they are definitely walking away from something. It can be unhealthy people around them, unhealthy patterns as well, but yes, it's definitely going to bring them happiness. Whatever it is that they are working towards right now, they are heavily focused around it. For very few of you, maybe this person, we are going to see how this person feels for you, but for some of you, or maybe for for a few of you, this person could be walking away from you, and they are heavily trying their best to walk away from you if you are adding toxicity in their life. That could be the case for some of you as well, Geminis. So let's see, what do they think about you? How do they feel for you right now? The thing that I just said, like maybe they are walking away from you or something around those lines, we are going to see if that's the case or not with them and their energies towards you, with their feelings towards you. How do they feel about you? We're going to ask that question and then see if the same energy shows up as an answer to that in the cards or not. Because I feel like, for very few of you, maybe this person is walking away from you as well. But yeah, let's see, what is it that your person have on their mind about you? What is it do they think about you? What is it that they think about you? What is going on in their head about you? Let's see, how do they feel? How do they think? How do they see this connection? Page of Wands paired up with King of Swords. They feel like, no matter how hard they try to be kind and generous and to be, adding more fun into the connection that you have with them, this always find you unemotional and kind of, unavailable as well. So maybe they are trying to walk away, or they are trying to fight their addiction for you as well. I feel like, for some reasons, maybe they feel like you never give into the connection. They have been trying to, make things work, but um you are not doing what they want it to be like. You are not giving into the connection the way they want or they expect from you. So I do see that they would be walking away from you very soon. Why? Because that's what they're planning, or that's what they're working towards. For some of you, maybe you are the one trying to push your person away because you don't want them. Maybe you don't want. Let's see, why do you treat them a certain way? Maybe you want something other than this right now in your life. Maybe that's not your focus right now. Maybe that's the reason why you are not giving into this connection. The person that you are dealing with, maybe they are demanding right now something more than what you can offer to them. But yes, they find it kind of, toxic for them to be in this connection with you. Let's see, what do they want you to know? I would really like to spend some time with you and start something beautiful with you, but I'm not ready to give into this connection with one-sided thing into it. Like, it's they want it to be mutual or they don't want it. Maybe you told them to wait, but maybe it's been long that you have been, keeping them on wait and they are choosing to walk away. Let's see more cards here. They are tired of picking up fights with you as well. They don't want to have arguments with you. They don't want to argue about, what they want, what you want. They are just choosing to walk away because this is something that they really don't want. They are trying to connect themselves to the God. They are trying to become their better version. They are trying to heal themselves as well. They are trying to see what the universe has to tell them. It seems like, for some reason, they feel like, the universe is guiding them to walk away from you. That could be the case for some of you as well. And they really want you to know that I still do see very much hope in this connection, but not this way. If we start, we have to start all over again, or we are done here. So that's what they're thinking about you. That's what they want you to know in this connection that you have with your specific someone. Now let's see. Hold on. Now let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading with the lovers oracle cards. Let's see what the angels have to guide you about this connection. Friendship, nurture the bonds of friendship within your relationship. I feel like, there is lack of communication, lack of understanding. It's like, your person really wants you to stay, but you don't want to stay in the connection the way they are. Like, they want their space, they want their, whatever it is that they are doing, in their life right now. They want you to understand, but it's more like, you cannot understand. Your person really, maybe you want them to understand you. For some of you, the energies could be completely reversed as well. But I feel like, your person and you lack friendship. Now, whoever it is, like, maybe you are not giving into the connection, maybe they are not giving into the connection. That's the reason there is lack of communication as well, lack of clarity as well. So somebody's really tired and fucked up here, and they really want to move ahead with their life because they find that, they, no doubt, they want it to be something beautiful between the two of you, but at the same time, they really want a bond which is beautiful, which is, friendly, which is fulfilling as well. They really find that this connection is missing something for sure, and the only thing that they see in this connection is their love for you, but no love from you to them. That's what I'm picking up here. Your love life will dramatically improve if you start nurturing the bond that you have. Like, the friendship needs to be nurtured here, because until and unless that happens, it seems like, the connection is not gonna go smooth. Plus, I do see the person feeling like, giving up on the connection that they have with you as well. For some of you, the energies, like I said, could be completely reversed. Maybe you are feeling a certain way with this person because you feel that, they are not giving into the connection, and you are now trying to fight your fears, and, you are trying to let go of your addiction of this person as well. It would be different for different people, but yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonates with you, do like, share, and subscribe. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.